Si Kuya Mark, it's very high quality, high integrity person. Marami tayong matututunan dito sa mga podcast ni Kuya Mark. So, stay tuned lang.
Uy, si Kuya Mark ito. You're right on time for another day of learning and laughter in the world of autos and tech. Tara, biyahe tayo! All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world today. Magandang araw. This is Kuya Mark, your mentor, and welcome to another episode of Kuya Mark's video podcast. And today, we're very fortunate because we're talking to one of the pillars ng motor car insurance industry, no? And he's no other than Kuya Justin Liu of Mercantile Insurance. Hi, Justin. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, Kuya Mark. Glad to be here.
So, a bit of background. What is Mercantile Insurance about? Of course, we've known it for... Can you tell us, our audience, ano ba yung history ni Mercantile Insurance?
When I got my car fixed there, I was thinking about Mercantile came into my mind because Mercantile is actually very interesting. It's a very old company. So in the Philippines, previously, there were over 100 non-life insurance companies. Mostly same products, insurance for mga bahay, building, cars. And Mercantile is one of the old foundational company since 1962 pa siya.
Nakikita ko yung passion ng mga team members to talk about the story of Mercantile kasi from 27 or 22 in the ranking in the industry, you jump to number 5, di ba? Parang sobrang sobrang bilis naman ng talon na yung Justin. What was the secret?
It's very simple. Just take care of the customer and do what you promise to do. Right? You buy insurance for the potential of accidents or kunyari, magka-bagyo, lunod yung kotse mo or masunog yung bahay. So, when these things happen, we don't make it very difficult for the clients to claim. Ikaw yung security ng mga kliyente. So same as with Value Plus. When you leave your car there, you trust them. You know that they'll take care of the car, right? So that's basically what we did, and the word spread, and more business came. So we're very blessed.
One time, one of my managers approached me and sabi sa akin, "Sir, meron tayo itong customer na gusto magpagawa ng body and paint repair, pero under insurance." Sabi ko, sabihin na natin na we're not be able to accommodate kasi nga we don't deal with insurance companies. And to my surprise, sabi ng manager, sir, meron ng cheque from Mercantile Insurance na pwede natin gawin yung sasakyan. Sabi ko, baka naman yun yung may-ari. Sabi niya, hindi sir. This is one of their clients. And akala ko isolated case ito, Justin. But when I was in, I mentioned this to you, we have partners in Bicol. And I was talking to them and talking about Mercantile Insurance partnership. And to my surprise, hindi pala isolated yung story na yun. No, marami silang nakwento rin na, we had the same experience with Mercantile. And so, long story short, we started dealing with Mercantile. Of course, we're happy to be working with you in terms of providing our customers, especially Value Plus customers, with that kind of peace of mind. Now, when something goes wrong, you have a reliable partner in Mercantile. No? And so, we're grateful for that opportunity as well to work with you in that area, Justin. Si Kuya Justin has his own video podcast, vlog naman ito, no? Kapi at Insurance. Tama, Kuya Justin? Did I get the title right?
On YouTube, if anyone wants to learn about non-life insurance, how to read your car insurance policy, how to do, how to claim, all about property insurance. Kasi complicated yung mga policy, and dami foreign terms, di ba? So we simplify it to our YouTube channel, Kapet Insurance.
So he's the one also talking about their products, about their services. And dahil bakit may kape? Kasi so happened, one of the companies as well under the leadership of Kuya Justin is Figaro Coffee, one of our favorites as well. So mamaya I'll tell a story about that. But let's go back to the discussion about car insurance. With the growing challenges, especially with the climate change, Kuya Justin, how do you adjust, for example, for ito, nagiging halos automatic na merong AON or acts of nature yung coverage natin. But some customers still, of course, hesitant adding it to their policy. What would be your encouragement to our customers who are looking at availing protection using Mercantile Insurance?
Kasi dati, hindi naman uso yung acts of nature. Pero this was
Right,
years
right.
back. Tapos nagka-ondoy. After ondoy,
Yeah.
everyone parang kailangan default na yung acts of nature dun sa car
Yes.
insurance. Tapos bumaba din yung presyo ng acts of nature. So actually, the difference is
Mm.
very, very small if you look at the price
Mm,
without
mm,
acts of nature and with. But the coverage
mm.
will shoot up so much, di ba?
Right, right.
Kasi syempre,
Mm,
kailan ka ba total loss? Total loss yan pag
mm.
nagkaka-ondoy or yung mga natural
Yes.
catastrophe. Sa amin naman sa insurance companies, we welcome that kasi na-educate
Mm,
yung mga tao na, uy, okay pala
mm.
to. Importante na
Yeah.
meron akong acts of nature, hindi naman siya
Mm.
ganun kamahal. Tapos, dumadami na rin yung frequency ng mga typhoon ngayon. Diba?
Exactly.
Konting ulan-ulan lang, ilang oras, baha na eh.
Correct, correct.
So,
Mm.
it's very important. Diba, a few weeks ago, last week pa, nag-earthquake. Hindi mo alam, yung
Yeah,
mga tao lumalabas, di mo kung mag-aftershock pa eh.
that's right, that's
So,
right.
acts of nature is very important. And
Mm.
the price of insurance for the coverage you get is actually very worth it. Very worth it.
Right, right. Again, we help our customers, especially with Value Plus customers in our case. Every time they come in for an appointment, ino-offer na namin proactively sa kanila na when you are due for your renewal ng insurance coverage, please do consider Mercantile because we're working with them, no? And nakikita namin ngayon yung interest are actually starting to grow. And but again, always goes to the value that we provide and the service we provide kasi hindi natin may iwasan may mga price shoppers, di ba? And they will tell you,
Yeah.
pwede bang paki-matchan mo na lang yung presyo ng dati kong insurance? What do you say to that, Kuya Justin?
I understand naman kasi people, syempre,
Hmm.
tayo, everyone wants to save money, di ba? So,
Right, right.
everyone wants to save money. If we can save like 500 or 1,000, that's big na eh. Especially now
Hmm.
na nagmamahal lahat
Hmm.
ng bagay.
Yeah.
Pero,
Hmm.
same like with restaurants or other services, iba-iba din
Hmm.
yung pressure. Sometimes you get what you pay for. So, not
Exactly.
saying that
Hmm.
lower priced services are poorer,
Hmm.
but
Hmm.
you need to also parang take into account, okay, let's say you have insurance now, who is your agent, how was the
Hmm.
service, how
Right.
much do you trust the Value Plus or the agent. The
Hmm.
agent actually plays a big role eh. So the
Hmm.
magic sauce is the agent should be very trustworthy, good service, and
Exactly.
the
Hmm.
insurance company ganun din.
Hmm.
Pag
Tama.
etong dalawa, very good, dapat konting difference sa price, wag mo na masyadong
Yes.
i-worry about. Kasi
Hmm.
pag nagkaroon nga ng aksidente or what, baka mamroblema ka. Tapos
Hmm.
marami din kasing ahente na medyo pabanjing-banjing ng insurance company.
Okay.
So, you know, because agents also have their own interest eh.
Hmm.
Sometimes the
Hmm.
insurance company will give the agent more commission, so they will push
Hmm.
this.
Hmm.
So this is something that end clients don't really know, but
Uh-huh.
for an end customer, you should really just ask yourself, how much do I trust this agent, and have I
Hmm.
done my research on the insurance company?
Hmm.
If you
Right, right.
if you cover those two, if you check those two bases, the price should be secondary na, lalo na kung maliit lang na diferensya.
Right, right. And again, tama ka eh. I mean, it boils down to the service, no? Eh, minsan, nare-realize na lang nila yon kapag kailangan na nila. Ano? Na, nga, no? Ang bilis ka trabaho ng ahente nito, mabilis ka trabaho tong kumpanya na ito, no? So, I think yun ang
Yeah.
importante na we have to explain to our viewers, our listeners, no? Why it matters. And I think what I learned as well working with you guys is you stick with the insurance commission's price points, ano? Can you tell a little bit more about that to our listeners, Kuya Justin?
So, the insurance commission is basically the local government regulator of
Mm.
insurance companies.
Yeah.
So, para silang bangko sentral para sa mga bangko. So, sa amin naman,
Mm.
sa insurance company, it's the insurance commission. So, the
Mm.
insurance
Mm.
commission ensures that all the insurance companies comply with the proper one, the capital. So,
Mm.
kailangan meron, if you're covering, let's say, how many billions of risk,
Mm.
kailangan
Right.
meron kang nakatapi na gantong pera para
Mm. Of course.
sigurado na pag may nangyari, meron kang pera.
Wonderful, wonderful. Again, Kuya Justin, thank you for your time this morning. Maraming salamat for sharing your thoughts to our listeners and viewers. Would you like to share a message to our listeners before we go?
Yeah, thank you so much, Kuya Mark. Enjoyed our conversation. Thank you for giving me the time. Just want to say to our listeners na si Kuya Mark is very high quality, high integrity person. Marami tayong matututunan dito sa mga podcast ni Kuya Mark. So, stay tuned lang. Thank you,
Thank you,
Kuya
Kuya
Mark.
Justin. Thank you, Kuya Justin. And again, for your car insurance need, check out Mercantile Insurance. They have also their own YouTube blog, Kape at Insurance. No, check it out. And also, of course, yung favorite nating pizza, Angel's Pizza, and of course, Figaro Coffee. With that, maraming salamat for your time, Kuya Justin, and to our viewers and listeners. Magandang araw muli sa inyo. Hanggang sa muli. Tara, biyahe tayo.